Hi, welcome to Nursing Manthra. Today's video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to apply for an RN license through Arizona Board of Nursing, USA. Arizona is a great choice for nurses looking to work in the US. Thanks to its streamlined process and high demand for skilled healthcare professionals. If you are an internationally educated nurse, whether from India, Philippines, Nigeria, or anywhere else, this guide is for you. We will see step-by-step process for application. Step 1. CGFNS Credential Evaluation. Before anything else, you must apply for Credential Evaluation Service Professional Report from CGFNS, Commission on Graduates of Foreign Nursing Schools, that is CGFNS. Now it is called as TrueMerit. This verifies your nursing education and your nursing license registration certificate. As you know that for a CGFNS verification, you have to complete your verification from your nursing college and from the licensing council. Nursing Manthra will assist for that. Second step is create an account in the Arizona Board of Nursing and submit the RN or LPN examination application. Pay the application fee, usually around $300. Application plus license fee together at a first we have to pay. That's why it is $300. Step 3. Send nursing education verification form. You need to complete and courier the verification form to the nursing college, and college has to send courier to the Board of Nursing. Better to do this during CGFNS verification. This form must be completed by your original licensing authority and sent directly to Arizona Board of Nursing. Step 4. Fingerprint card submission. For background check, Arizona requires fingerprinting. So you can request a fingerprint card from Arizona Board of Nursing. Get fingerprinted locally. Ensure the accuracy. Courier the card to SBN with your application number on it. Step 5. NCSBN registration. You must register with the National Council of State Board of Nursing, that is NCSBN, via Pearson VUE. So you have to make the payment in the Pearson VUE site for registration. Then after that, you will get the authorization to test, ATT. So you have step 6 is you have to wait for authorization to test. Once all your documents are reviewed and your background check is cleared, you will receive an ATT letter via email. This allows you to book your NCLEX RN exam. Step 7. Schedule and pass the NCLEX RN. Using your ATT, schedule the NCLEX RN exam at Pearson VUE Testing Center. This is the final examination required to prove your readiness to practice as an RN in Arizona. Make sure that your name on your ID passport, it matches with the name during the registration. It should be same name. For NCLEX study materials, contact us through WhatsApp. You can take the test in many countries, including India, UK, and check Pearson VUE site for its exam centers near you. Step 8. Receive your RN license. After passing the NCLEX RN, your application status will be updated and your RN license will be activated. You can check the status online via Arizona Nursing Portal. Print your license and start applying for jobs. So that is the complete process to get your RN license from Arizona Board of Nursing as an internationally educated nurses. You have to keep scanned copies of all documents, track your CGFNS and fingerprint submissions. Subscribe to this channel for more state-specific licensing videos. If you have any doubts, comment below or visit nursingmanthra.com for personalized support, and you can contact WhatsApp.